Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Vishal Rajiv and today I'm gonna help you make an amazing channel art for your channel. So without any delay, let's get started. It's coronavirus time. Stay home, stay safe. Let's get through this. So the first thing you gotta look out for is what your brand is. Not only from your perspective, but what your customers says about it. Whether it's a cooking channel, a DIY channel, or a tech channel, how you deliver is what matters. One of the best and most used software for editing, the Adobe Photoshop. You don't have to be an expert to make. I'll try my best to make it as easy as possible. So further ado, let's get going. It doesn't matter which version you have, this tutorial applies to most of the versions out there. Set resolution to 2560 x 1440 pixels. Now set background color to something brighter than black, light dark shades of grey, and click create. Then tap on file and select new and create another one with the resolutions of 3840 x 2160 and set the color to white and create it by double tapping on the layer on the right side to unlock it, and then go to the white one we just created and tap on the option on the top bar and then go to the image rotation and set rotation to about 30 degrees and that too clockwise, and then drag it over onto the top of the gray layer and adjust it in a way like this. And go to the file option in the top bar, click open and select the photo which you should have downloaded. Yes, the link is readily available in the description. And now put it over it and adjust it accordingly. For more tutorials on channel arts like these and other interesting content, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Right click on the template layer. Select blending options and reduce opacity to see through the template and click OK. Now the dark zone available in the center is a safe area where we can give all kinds of text and designs. Click on the text tool in the left box and type in whatever necessary. In this case, I'll type your channel. Align it and give it the inverse color where you kept it. Adjust it based on your preference. And now once again click the file and open your channel logo. Then go to the image option on the top bar and click on image size and adjust it to the perfect size. Then drag it over and align accordingly. Keep that aside and click on the ellipse shape tool over the left panel and draw a shape over the logo. A rough one will do. Change color to white and align it accordingly. And set corner curvature to something like 30 pixels. And now drag the logo layer on top of the shape layer. Then right click on the shape layer and go to blending options, enable drop shadow and adjust the settings as seen on screen. For previewing the channel art without the template layer, click on the I button near the template layer and here's what you made. And now finally adjust the layers accordingly. Ensure that the design does not overflow out of the black zone. If it does, adjust it accordingly. Hence, you made a channel art similar to the channel. You can easily invert the layer by dragging the white layer to the left edge. And don't forget to change the text color to inverse. thank you for watching this video. This is Vishal Rajiv signing off, and let me see you in another video. Stay home, stay safe, don't forget the drill, and subscribe the channel